How to change your TikTok password. Open the TikTok application. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Tap on the profile icon that you can see at bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the three lines that you can see at top. Tap on the option Settings and Privacy. You can access the settings. Tap on the option Account. Right over here at second, you'll be able to find the option for password. Tap on it. Before you change your password, you'll have to verify it's really you. You can see the identity methods over here. If you have added the phone number, you'll be able to see the phone number. You can see the email, or you can also enter the password. I'm going to verify using my password. So tap on the option Password. Tap on the option Next. Enter your password over here. Tap on the option Next. Once your identity is verified, you can change your password. Your password must have 8 to 20 characters. It must contain one letter, one number, and one special character. Create a strong password for yourself. Tap on the option Continue. Now your password has been changed. Like this, you can change TikTok password. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.